Oh, hell no. I think we got a problem. Why would you fart in my video?
I forgot we were doing a video.
So this video is gonna be like pretty straight to the point. So welcome back to my channel. Before I forget to do that, sometimes I forget to do my little intro, but it is Goldenchildchi, aka Chinara. If you didn't already know that, that probably means you're not subscribed. So what are you doing? Go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below, and let's just jump into this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and drop a comment down below if you have any questions. You've used this before, you know, you just want to chit chat. So I'm gonna be using this sugar waxing kit that I got off Amazon. Alright, so for those of you that don't know, sugar wax is like kind of like hard wax because it has the same concept of just like, nah, it's not like sugar wax. It's not like hard wax. So basically, from what I've seen online, is they create this like solution that turns into like this wax paste, and then you just use it and you can like roll it up in a ball and just like snatch the hair off, and it's supposed to be like really good. It's supposed to be good for sensitive skin and all that stuff, which is what I have, which is why I'm trying it today. So I'm gonna be doing my little armpits, so don't judge me because my armpits is grown out, because your hair had to be at least, I think, a rice grain in order for the hair to like be grabbed or grasped, or you know what I mean, in order for it to be easily removable. So let's get into that. I'm using this wax kit. I'll put a picture in over here because y'all know my little lighting situation, stuff don't be showing and I don't got time for that. So I'm using this little wax, and it came with 2 of these applicator cards and 2 gloves, 2 pairs of gloves. So I did find this wax recommendation in Kensthetic's video, so shout out to her. But yeah, so I'm gonna be trying this out my armpits. So I did see that you're supposed to clean the area with alcohol first, so I'm gonna do that. This is 91% alcohol, and of course y'all can't see it. Very cute. Anyway, and then I'm gonna be using some baby powder. Just imagine you guys can see it. So first, let's clean the armpits. Y'all ready? All right, so y'all ready to see my armpits? I'm looking at my like viewfinder here, but whatever. So this is what my armpit look like. So we got a little hairy situation here. It's not horrible, but you know, it needs work. It needs work. Let's go ahead and clean that up. I'm gonna be using these like cotton rounds because you know we want to save the environment, and plus toilet paper is too expensive, and so is paper towel to be wasting to clean my armpits. Like what? So I put some alcohol on here, and I'm just gonna wipe it. Wipe it down. Wipe. I don't know, I just felt like doing that. Okay, next I'm gonna take some powder and put it on my armpit. Alright, so I'm taking the applicator card, and I'm just gonna make sure that it doesn't have any powder on it, because I don't want to get any powder like into the actual wax. So I'm just gonna take it. And the crazy thing is, this thing didn't even come with instructions. Like what? Like what? Why would it not have instructions? So yeah, I'm just improvising. Alright, so I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna put it on my armpit. Oh my god, that hurts. Put it down. Can you guys see that? Ah! Oh, holy hell, am I doing this right? Fudge. This is it. So you guys can see the hair that's coming off. So honestly, when I saw this online, I was like, this don't work. But it does work. And it works pretty well, as you guys can see. So I'm noticing that you gotta like slap and then rip. So press and rip. Press and rip. Whew, that hurts. Press and rip. Ooh. and rip. Press and rip. Press. Ooh, am I bleeding? I'm bleeding. Is that normal? Oh shoot. I think we got a problem. I'm bleeding and stuff. I didn't expect this to be so powerful. Sheesh. I think I put too much wax. Oh, Ow. This actually hurts really bad. And I hope I don't get like bumps. Because this is not coming off. Like it'll. Okay, we have a problem here. That hurt. I don't know if you guys can see the blood.
That really hurts.
I'm not like too like worried because I have like bled at like European Wax Center, so you know it just might be my fate. I might just be a bleeder. That really hurts. Ooh, that burns. It works, but it hurts. Like, what? This is what it looks like. Just so you guys know about the sugar paste, it is water soluble, so that's great because that means it'll come off easy with water, which normal wax you can't get that stuff off. And it says that it hurts less, but you know, we're not gonna talk about that because as you guys already saw, I'm in a lot of pain. So rip, we're doing it. We're doing it. I can't commit to this. Like, this is like self-destruction for me right now. Like, what the hell? All right, I don't know what I'm doing no more. I'm like sweating because this is hard for me.
I think I'm gonna call my boyfriend because I can't do it. It hurts.
No, Jamal, you gotta put it harder.
Because that seemed like it's
Try the top.
Irritate your skin.
Babe, what are you doing? Why are you starting at my arm but I don't have no hair?
It's about raise your hand up so I can see.
Try to go sideways, maybe? Sideways? Sideways?
What's coming off?
Oh, okay. You're not doing it forceful enough. You're doing it, yeah, like that. Like wipe it down, basically, and then snatch. Wipe down and then snatch it up. Babe.
That middle part not coming out. I'm just taking out all the other sides.
There's no hair in the side of my armpit over there.
Yes, there is. I'm watching.
No, there's not. There's hair all the way over here.
It's right here.
You just put that there.
Alright, Sean, I'm sorry. There's some hair there.
Just snatch it off.
It'll come off, I don't know.
You're not pressing, you're just pushing it on and then taking it off. Yeah.
Okay, I was doing it wrong then.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, is my armpit bleeding again?
Yeah. It's too much, babes. Just shave this.
Just take off the piece right here. Go sideways.
This way?
Yeah. The other, like, more comfortable for you. Isn't it easier for you to wipe forward? Why would you fart in my video?
I forgot we were doing a video. Let's take that sound off. And one part won't come off.
Alright, forget it.
Wash my hands.
Okay guys, so that is the end of my like whole armpit shaving fiasco. I do have like some redness here, like I'm bleeding kinda, but other than that it did work pretty well. Will I be using this again? I don't know. It was very painful, like, and then it's like repetitive pain. Like normally when you get hard wax, like a European wax center, they could put like 4 strips on and it's kind of just over with. Or like even shaving, like shaving obviously doesn't hurt. You just run the risk of razor bumps. So I don't know if this is for me. I did try it on my legs. It came out a little better. It wasn't as like treacherous. Like I don't have like bleeding on my legs. So I think my armpit hair is just way too thick for it, and I don't know. So I have like some fresh aloe and I'm just gonna like put it on my armpits just to soothe the area. I'll link it down below. You guys can give it a try. Don't get me wrong, it is good. I just don't know if I use it properly. Dominoes, like I don't need dominoes. I don't know if I use it properly, and I'm just have to try it again. But if this video was helpful, give it a big thumbs up while I tend to my armpits here. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want me to try anything else, like some other like crazy hair removal thing that you know about, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.